Hello friends, in last lecture we have seen how to set up the environment, how to install the tools that are required to do the Appium automation. Now in this specific lecture what I'm going to tell you is about this Android emulators, how to work with ADB manager, that is Android virtual device manager, how to create new virtual devices, then how to work with ADB commands, like ADB is used to communicate with the Android emulators. So we'll see all those things in this particular video. So let's get started. So I have opened this website softforce.org and I'm on this page Android emulators. So to launch the Android emulators, you have to go to ADB manager, Android virtual device manager. So I have opened this Android studio, and in here you will see in the tools there is one ADB manager. So you need to open that, or you can also directly click on this button which will open the ADB manager. Now in the ADB manager you can create new virtual devices. So once it is open, you can see I already created a couple of virtual devices, and you can start these virtual devices using these buttons. To create new virtual device, you have to click on this button at the bottom, and then you can create a new virtual device. Here there are different device definitions you can choose from, like dimensions, density, dots per inch, all these things are there. Whichever you like, you can just go ahead and create a new virtual device for that. So just click on next and select this system image. If the system image is not downloaded, you need to download. So you can see this download button is appearing in certain system in front of certain images. That means those images have not been downloaded. I have just downloaded this Q image, that is API level 29 and 86 ABI. Target is Android 10.0. So I will recommend all this. If you go to this 86 images, I will recommend that you go ahead and download those 86 images with Google APIs. And then once this image is downloaded, you can create a new virtual device. So here you can give this different settings. You can give the name for your device, this startup orientation, emulated performance, and you can click on finish. So that's how you can create a new virtual device. Now to launch, as I said earlier, you can just click on this button. If you want to edit, you can click on edit as well, and there are a lot of other settings that you can do here. So I have already launched the emulator there. You can see this emulator is already up and running here. And in the next thing that I wanted to tell you is ADB commands. So once this emulator is up and running, you can like work with or send commands to that emulator using these ADB commands. Okay, now let us see the ADB commands. ADB devices command gets the list of all the emulators that are attached to this machine, like ADB devices. So it will show the list of all the emulators. So since just one emulator is running right now, it will just show you one emulator there. To install and uninstall the apps, you can use these commands: ADB install package name or application name, and uninstall again the package name. Now to see list of all the packages that are in the system, you can use this kind of command. So you can see the list of all the packages. Let us say you are interested in just calculator, and you can use this command grep. That means just give me the packages which contains this word. So it has given me this app. Now to get this app on the system, you can use this command called as ADB pull and this path, this one. So it will get the app in your system, and once it is there, you can see the list of activities there that are there using this command apt dump batching exec calculator.app. So you can see this launchable activities here. So that's how you can get the launchable activity for apps. That's it in this particular video.